Ever wished you could compose music effortlessly, regardless of your musical background? With the rise of artificial intelligence, this dream is now a reality. Imagine generating captivating melodies, crafting dynamic soundscapes, and exploring diverse genres at the click of a button. Today, we delve into the realm of AI music generators, where innovation converges with creativity to redefine the landscape of musical expression. From revolutionizing music production to empowering aspiring artists, these AI tools offer boundless opportunities. Join us as we explore the top free AI music generators and unlock the gateway to your musical journey. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Hydra II by Rightsify. Have you ever wanted to create your own soundtrack but struggled with copyright issues? Meet Hydra II by Rightsify, an advanced AI music generator designed to revolutionize the creation of AI-generated music and sound effects. Built upon a dataset of over 1 million songs, Hydra II offers a suite of editing tools that democratize access to fully customizable, copyright-cleared music. From diverse instrument choices to multilingual support, Hydra II simplifies music production for artists and content creators across the globe. This innovative tool is reshaping the music industry landscape. Number 2. AIVA. Imagine having your personal composer at your fingertips. Enter AIVA, an AI music generator that composes soundtracks for ads, video games, movies, and more. Since its inception in 2016, AIVA has evolved into a versatile tool for music creation. From generating original compositions to providing variations of existing songs, AIVA empowers users to explore endless musical possibilities. With its user-friendly interface and functional free version, AIVA bridges the gap between amateur musicians and professional composers. Let's uncover how AIVA is shaping the future of music composition. Number 3. Soundful. Dive into a world of boundless creativity with Soundful, the AI-powered platform revolutionizing music creation. Whether you're producing videos, podcasts, or streams, Soundful offers royalty-free background music tailored to your needs at the click of a button. With an intuitive interface and customizable options, finding the perfect track has never been easier. Plus, with unique, never-before-heard compositions generated by AI algorithms trained alongside industry professionals, your content will stand out from the crowd. From producers seeking inspiration to brands looking for unique soundtracks, Soundful caters to all, providing an affordable solution to elevate your projects to new heights. Number 4. Ecrit Music. Experience the power of AI in music creation with Ecrit Music, the innovative platform that empowers creators to craft captivating compositions effortlessly. By training on a vast library of existing songs, Ecrit Music harnesses the latest AI technology to generate personalized music clips tailored to your preferences. Whether you're scoring a video or developing a game, Ecrit Music offers a straightforward interface and customizable options to streamline the creative process. With a range of subscription plans available, including a trial version for exploration, Ecrit Music ensures accessibility for creators of all levels. Say goodbye to licensing woes and hello to limitless possibilities with Ecrit Music, where AI meets inspiration to fuel your artistic journey. Number 5. Soundraw. Embark on a musical journey where innovation meets creativity with Soundraw, the cutting-edge platform that seamlessly fuses AI innovation with manual expertise. Whether you're a seasoned composer or a novice musician, Soundraw offers a versatile toolkit to unleash your musical imagination. With its intuitive interface and plug-in compatibility, Soundraw allows you to customize and improvise melodies effortlessly, blurring the lines between human artistry and machine intelligence. Create captivating soundscapes, experiment with genres, and refine your compositions with precision, all at your fingertips. With unlimited downloads available through subscription plans, Soundraw empowers you to explore new horizons and push the boundaries of music production. Step into the future of music creation with Soundraw and experience the limitless possibilities of AI-enhanced creativity. Number 6. Boomy. Are you ready to unleash your inner musician and create original songs effortlessly? Meet Boomy, the groundbreaking platform that empowers you to produce full songs in seconds using the power of artificial intelligence. With just a few clicks, Boomy's creative AI writes and produces personalized tracks tailored to your unique style and preferences. Whether you're a budding songwriter or an experienced producer, Boomi offers a seamless music-making experience that transcends traditional boundaries. Explore endless possibilities, from catchy melodies to captivating rhythms, and watch your musical ideas come to life in real time. Join the revolution of music creation with Boomi and discover the joy of expressing yourself through original compositions like never before. Number 7. Loudly. Enter the realm of musical innovation with Loudly, where expert systems and generative adversarial networks converge to craft compositions with depth and meaning. Boasting over 170,000 curated audio loops and a unique playback engine, Loudly's AI seamlessly combines, warps, and follows chord progressions in real time, delivering musically meaningful compositions. Whether you're a seasoned musician exploring new sounds or a budding artist seeking inspiration, Loudly offers a creative sanctuary where possibilities are endless. With its intuitive tools and rapid evolution, Loudly empowers creators to push the boundaries of music composition and embark on a journey of sonic exploration unlike any other. Experience the future of music creation with Loudly. Number 8. WAV Tool. Ready to take your music production to the next level? Introducing WAV Tool, the innovative platform equipped with Conductor AI, guiding you through every step of the creative process. With advanced synthesis, flexible signal routing, and real-time recommendations, WAV Tool empowers creators to record, compose, produce, and master music seamlessly, all within the browser. Whether you're a novice seeking inspiration or a seasoned producer refining your craft, WAV Tool's intuitive interface and AI guidance ensure a frictionless experience. Elevate your music-making journey with WAV Tool and discover the transformative power of AI in shaping the future of music creation. Number 9. Amadeus Code. Are you ready to unlock your musical potential with ease? Say hello to Amadeus Code, the iOS-based app revolutionizing music composition. Harnessing the power of AI, Amadeus Code offers a creative playground where melodies come to life in minutes. With its vast repository of chord progressions from iconic songs, users can explore new compositions effortlessly. From gesture-based creation to seamless integration with audio editing software, Amadeus Code empowers musicians of all levels to craft captivating melodies with unparalleled simplicity. Join the musical revolution with Amadeus Code and experience the joy of limitless creativity at your fingertips. Number 10. Shutterstock. Amper Music. Are you a content creator seeking seamless music production? Enter Amper Music by Shutterstock, a cloud-based platform simplifying the creation of dynamic soundtracks. With millions of samples and customizable options, Amper transforms pre-recorded samples into real audio, ready to enhance your projects. Whether you're crafting podcasts, movies, or video games, Amper's intuitive interface empowers creators of all levels to amplify their content effortlessly. Discover the ease and versatility of Amper Music, where innovation meets creativity to redefine the landscape of music production for content creators everywhere. The fusion of AI and music production has opened new avenues for creativity and accessibility. From Hydra II to Amper Music, these AI music generators empower creators to innovate and express themselves like never before. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the landscape of music creation. Embrace the future, unleash your creativity, and let the symphony of AI guide your musical journey. Thank you for joining us in exploring the incredible world of AI music generators. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.